Once a cat was caught in a hunter's net. A mouse used to live in a nearby hall. The mouse, seeing the cat in the net, started playing around the cat. Soon a mongoose came there. He wanted to kill the mouse. As he lifted his head, he was an owl sitting on a tree trying to catch him. The mongoose went very near the cat's net to save himself. The mouse thought, when the hunter takes away the cat, the mongoose will not spare me, and the owl is there to enjoy both of us. The mouse went to the cat and said, I can cut the net if you promise to save my life from the mongoose and the owl. The cat agreed. The mouse started cutting the net slowly and freed the cat only when the hunter was just near the cat. The cat took to heels and so ran the mongoose to the owl was very much disappointed to see even the mouse running away to safety. A few days later, the cat, being hungry, went to the hall of the mouse and requested him to come out from a game. The mouse replied, I caught friendship and saved you to save my life. Now you can go home. Moral: do not nurture friendship